Welcome to the introduction of the Prodim Factory software. In this video, we're going to present you all the key features and overall flow. We will start with using the project home. In the project home, you can easily create and manage your projects. The project home can be customized to your company's demands. So let's create a project. Click on the new project button, enter a name, and select the status. You can add more information or fields if you want in the settings menu. Now the project is created, and on the right side you can click on the plus button. You can select create drawing, enter a name and select the project. This is also customizable. You can add more fields if you want and select the status. Now you'll see the drawing is already made, but there's no drawing, so you can hit open. But first let us take a look at the picture from one of our customers. He would like to draw us this picture, this kitchen countertop with the backsplashes. Now let's open the file. You can select a shape within the drawing module and enter all the dimensions, of course from the picture. I entered them before, so you see already. So this is the L shape. You can select, for example, for the cooking island, enter all the measurements, all the millimeters. You can also do it in inches if you want. By pressing the control button on your keyboard, you can turn these things around, align them. The software will automatically suggest lines. Now for the backsplashes, you also can add the dimensions, of course, just with the rectangle option. Also turn it with the control button on your keyboard. As you see, there's one on 1710, a point. I added one so I can match that one to the backsplash. And I'll show you why I did that later. It had something to do with the profiles of the countertop. You can also use these points to make another line, or as you see over here, I will create a windowsill. And I put this one in the middle also because I can add a cutout for example, a sink or a cooking plate. And what I'm doing right now is making a seam, because otherwise it won't fit on the slab. I'm ready to add a sink. You can search in a library for this one, for example, from Frankie. Add this one, click on the line. And as you see, I put in 0.0, so that's aligned. And now I can click on simplify selection, and these points will disappear, but it's still in the middle, so it's very nice aligned. Now I'm going to add some profiles, for example the seams, and just select one. Of course, this is very customizable. It depends on your company and your company's wishes. And as you see there on the corner, I added a profile over there. Select the wall, so the CNC machine knows what to do. Click on every line. Now I'm finished. You can also select the material. I'll choose a different one than I'm going to use when I'm going to match. But this is just to show you what the possibilities are. What What I'm going to do right now is just copy every piece to a new piece. You see above in the tabs, piece 1, this one goes to piece 2, etc, etc. I'll show you why we do that in this way. It has something to do with the matching part. Now you have all these parts separately, and in the overview you can see the drawing with the material projected. So you can play with it as much as you want. It's just to let the customer see how it will look like. And basically you're now finished, and you can click on match or quote. Also enter some information, select the status of the project. If it's complete, you can enter complete, save it. And now, as you see, the software selected already the separate pieces, so you can match these on the slab. These slabs are coming from your inventory. I was looking for a specific one, this one. As you see, it's selected already all the separate pieces. And now I can start just to put these on the slab for the matching. Of course I want the design to be right, so yeah. Can be very interesting to do this work very detailed, or with the customer if you would like. Or you can send a picture afterwards. Software can automatically generate these pictures, so it's no problem. You see that the picture turns red when it will not fit or when there's a defect. You see in the slab on the left side, you see a black point. That's a mark for a defect in the slab. With our show preview option, you can work very detailed. So make sure that the pattern is right and that you like the way it looks and that the customer likes how it looks. Also, this part will turn red when it will not fit. You can zoom in, zoom out. Just play around with these things. And I think it's nice in this way, but on the upper hand there's something down there which is not right in my opinion. So again, you can do whatever you like within this module, and it's also very nice to have a perfect design so that you don't get surprised or the customer don't get surprised afterwards. So I think I'm happy with it now. And when I'm finished, I can click on quote, also enter information, change the status, save it, and now the software automatically generates a quote. You can enter the customer information, for example Johnson, on Highway Street or something. I just made up some information, but of course it's recommendable to enter the normal information of the customer. Zip code, city, enter state, country, the phone, email, Once you're finished with the customer information, you see that we added already a few items. You can add these items in the plus button, and you can select if you want to charge the customer for the whole slab or area price by double clicking on the price of the slab. And you can add also files by the plus button. Now you can save it, go to project home. You can select all the files by holding up the shift button and publish all the files. So you can enter, you can have the XF files, PDF files. It's very easy to use, and you can send also these files to the customer or to production. Thank you for your attention, and we hope to see you soon at our website prodim-systems.com.